I think if you have time, then you feel nervous. When you don't have time, then you just get on. But once I'm on the ramp, then I really enjoy it. It's great fun actually walking the ramp. Jewelry is a very important fashion statement because it can totally change the way that your garment looks. Today, in fact, I had picked an Arpita Mehta to wear for this event because I think that Arpita Mehta's garments are like jewelry. They're made like jewelry. So I thought that it would be an appropriate outfit to wear, especially also because it's kind of modern, but at the same time it's got a traditional element to it. So I thought that combined with Azwa jewelry would sort of give a nice touch to everything because I think we are part of this modern generation and yet we go back to our roots and heritage when we look for jewelry. Jewelry, I think for me jewelry, the thing that I always have with me are a pair of solitaires because they're eternal and they're very beautiful. But apart from that, I like heirloom jewelry very much. I like jewelry that my great-grandmother's jewelry, my grandmother's jewelry, jewelry that I can pass on. I think that kind of jewelry is the kind of jewelry that I really love. And the brand that I'm wearing today, I find that it's the kind of jewelry that you can cherish for like many generations. So I think Azwa has totally nailed that in their design.
I think Mera Jewelry is the most unique one of the lot from Sangham. Yeah, actually I've never seen something so pretty before in my life. It's really beautiful. It's a ring. It's on both my fingers and it's making me feel like a beautiful butterfly tonight. So I really love it. Very modern, very different, and I think it's really beautiful. It suits my personality. Definitely pieces like this, which have the Indian touch, but they also have the Western appeal. So I think this is perfect. Yeah.
I would have to say there are three things: family, health, happiness. I think they're as precious and as any kind of real jewelry. I think they're things that you treasure as much as you treasure jewelry, and I think they are things that you safeguard and keep properly, just like your jewelry. So there is a diamond ring that my two sisters gave me for my birthday. So that's one piece of jewelry that I always wear. It brings me a lot of luck. And there was another diamond ring that I gifted myself. So it has my birth my birth number in Roman numerals, and it's black and white diamonds. So that's something that I will always treasure and I always
amazing.
wear.
This guy, he's an independent manufacturer, and I think he's done a tremendous job with it. And though मुझे सिर्फ 5 मिनट मिले थे ज्वेलरी जल्दी से आके पहनने में, क्योंकि बैक स्टेज में थोड़ा लेट पहुंची थी. And I think with whatever glimpse of it that I saw, I think it was extremely nice. And आप नीचे बैठ के लेंगे या थोड़ा ऊपर आएंगे? I was actually quite excited today to work for this designer. He's an independent manufacturer, and I just got a glimpse of jewelry just for about 2-3 minutes when I was wearing it. I think he's done a great job with it. And मेरा show पहला show था, so I was showstopper for the first show. And so I think अच्छा है, काफ़ी अच्छा रहा experience because 6 महीने बाद last time मैंने Lakme Fashion Week walk किया था Rocky S के लिए. And so अब जाके मैं दोबारा ये कर रही हूँ 6 महीने बाद अपनी I had a long sickness period. So उसके बाद to return to the ramp is a great feeling with such amazing jewelry.
As special as jewelry, I think my mom. I think my mom is the most special thing, most special person to me, and I think to everyone. Maybe our parents. So my parents. I honestly don't know much about jewelry trends. I have had. It's been great to be a brand ambassador of various jewelry lines, but jewelry trends, I think honestly less is more, and I think wearing diamonds and stuff, it's really nice to wear one piece that highlights you instead of wearing like 500 different things, and it gets very distracted. So I think wearing one like statement piece, like a neck piece or like a nice ring or like a nice bracelet is nice. My must-have jewelry is the diamond solitaire ring, which my father gave me on my 21st birthday. So I like to wear that everywhere. Today I couldn't wear it because I'm at a jewelry event, but it's my good luck ring. There's lots happening, and I'm going to make a formal announcement.